In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to set up voicemail on your Android phone. Let's get started. First, open your phone app, navigate to the keypad section. You have two ways to access voicemail. On many phones, you can simply press and hold the number 1 key on the keypad, which will dial your voicemail. If that works, just follow the voice prompts to create your voicemail pin and record your greeting. However, depending on your carrier, it may be different for you. For my device, I will need to press and hold the number 1 key. You need to add a number to access your voicemail. Now click on the voicemail number. Now over here you will need to type in the voicemail number. Then you can navigate to the option notifications and enable it. This way you can easily set up the voicemail number in your Android device. However, depending on your carrier, you may need to dial your own phone number instead. Just enter your phone number on the keypad and tap call. When the voicemail system answers, it will guide you through setting your PIN, creating your personal greeting, and adjusting any voicemail settings. Once setup is complete, you can always check voicemail by pressing and holding 1 or by calling your phone number again. Some carriers also offer visual voicemail, which lets you see your voicemails listed and sometimes even read transcriptions. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.